Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your trusted source for in-depth product analysis and honest opinions. Today we're going to take a look at the PROMiXX MiiXR X7 personal blender. If you're someone who loves a good smoothie or a protein shake, this little device promises to make those moments quick, effortless, and even a little more stylish. Let's find out if it delivers on those promises. The PROMiXX MiiXR X7 personal blender isn't just another blender on the market. It's designed specifically for people who want superior performance and versatility without the hassle of bulky equipment. The blender boasts a 700-watt motor and features cool flow technology to maintain consistent power and performance throughout blending. Whether you're looking to make smooth, pulp-free shakes or blend your favorite fruits and veggies into a creamy smoothie, this machine aims to handle it all with ease. But there's more. This blender comes with world's first dual-blade technology, including the 3-in-1 extractor blade and the X blade, which work together to create silky smooth results. Beyond its power, the MiiXR X7 promises a user-friendly experience with its multi-purpose Tritan sports bottles. These bottles aren't just for blending. They double as water bottles or shaker cups, perfect for people on the go. Each bottle is BPA DHP-free, odor-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. It comes with 2 bottles, one 17-aughts and one 22-aughts, giving you the flexibility to make the right amount of your favorite blend. If you're concerned about portability and durability, these bottles are tough, built to withstand the rigors of daily use, and are perfect for keeping your drink fresh and leak-free. The design is another standout. The X7 isn't just functional, it looks great too. With its blend of gloss and matte finishes and a transparent outer shell, this blender is sleek enough to sit proudly on your kitchen counter. It's one of those products that combines form and function in a way that makes you proud to use it, and more importantly, show it off. Now, let's talk about how it performs. I've been using this blender for the past few weeks, and I have to say, the 700-watt motor really packs a punch. I tested it with a variety of tasks, making protein shakes, fruit smoothies, and even some vegetable blends. The X-blade system works like a charm. The 3-in-1 extractor blade does a fantastic job at pulverizing fruits, ice, and protein powder into a smooth consistency. No chunks, no mess, just perfectly blended drinks every time. The blender is also surprisingly quiet, considering the amount of power it delivers. But it's not just about power. The ease of use is where the MiiXR X7 truly shines. Setting it up is a breeze. Pop your ingredients into the bottle, twist it onto the motor base, and you're good to go. The Tritan bottles are easy to clean too. They're dishwasher safe, and since they don't stain or hold onto odors, maintaining them is no trouble at all. This is great for anyone who uses a blender regularly and doesn't want to spend extra time cleaning after every use. That said, no product is perfect. There are a couple of small things worth mentioning. While the X7 is extremely efficient at blending, the motor might feel a bit too powerful for certain soft fruits, like bananas, which can create a bit of air in the bottle. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're looking for a super silent blender, you might notice this when making a smoothie with softer ingredients. Additionally, the dual blade system works incredibly well, but some might find the overall size of the bottles a little too small if they're used to making larger quantities at once. Now, when it comes to value, the PROMiXX MiiXR X7 is priced competitively for a personal blender. While there are other options in the market, like the Ninja Nutri Pro or the NutriBullet, the X7 stands out with its dual blade system and the cool flow technology that ensures it runs at its peak performance even during extended use. The build quality is excellent, and the added versatility of the Tritan bottles makes it stand out from similar blenders in the same price range. It's certainly on par with, if not slightly better than, its competitors in terms of features. When comparing it to other personal blenders, the X7 definitely brings something unique to the table with its combination of high performance and aesthetic appeal. For example, the NutriBullet Pro 900 offers similar blending power but lacks the versatility of the Tritan bottles that can be used as water or shaker bottles. Additionally, the Ninja NutriPro is another contender with a solid 900-watt motor, but it doesn't quite match the clean, sleek design or the dual-blade blending system of the MiiXR X7. The build quality of the PROMiXX MiiXR X7 is top-notch, as expected from the brand. The motor feels sturdy and well-built, and the bottles are made of high-quality, durable Tritan plastic, which is known for its resistance to cracks, stains, and odors. After several weeks of use, there haven't been any signs of wear or damage. The materials are built to last, and based on the brand's reputation, I'd expect this blender to hold up well over time. In terms of customer support, I haven't needed to reach out yet, but PROMiXX has a solid reputation for responsive service. If any issues arise, the brand seems to take care of its customers, which is always a good sign. To sum it up, the PROMiXX MiiXR X7 personal blender is a fantastic choice for those looking for a powerful, stylish, and easy-to-use blender for smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks. It does a great job of combining performance and aesthetics, and the dual-blade system offers an extra edge over many competitors in its category. While it may not be perfect for everyone, especially those who need larger portions, it's still a highly effective and efficient option for those who want to quickly blend up nutritious drinks. Whether you're an athlete, health enthusiast, or someone who just enjoys a good smoothie, the MiiXR X7 is well worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the PROMiXX MiiXR X7, check out the link in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know what you think of the X7, or if you already own one, share your experience with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay smooth and keep blending.